can't believe we're finally doing this.
The flights look great. I just booked mine.
I'm so excited to meet you all in person.
Welcome back. Today, I want to share inspiring stories on how real users are finding their tribe on Donamix. Meet Sarah. She joined Donamix to connect with fellow fitness fans through community groups and live sessions. She found her friends who motivates her daily workouts. Then, there's Mike, who's loving games. Donamix's social gaming feature helped him meet players from around the world, making gaming more fun and social. And Lisa, a content creator, uses Donamix live streaming to showcase her talents and grow her audience, turning her passion into community. These stories shows that no matter your interest, Donamix helps you find your people, your tribe, your real tribe. Are you ready to find yours? Join Donamix today and start your own story. Link is in the description. Let's build your community.
Donamix, your social, travel and lifestyle hub.